I'm Jim McComb with the Whissel Realty Group. I'm standing in front of my latest listing at 1333 Chariot Court in Bonsall. Some people like to pair their food with a beer. I'm gonna pair this home with a beer. Let's go inside and check it out. This beer is just layered with different flavors, and the complexity of this beer pairs with this home because this home has so many amenities. First off, you have almost 5 acres of yard space, but you're at the top of a hill perched up, so you have views surrounding the home of mountains. On a clear day, you can see all the way to the ocean. In addition to those mountain views, you also have a massive home that includes upgraded granite countertops, GE appliances, an open concept floor plan, and a huge chef's kitchen right here. I'm Jeremy McComb with the Whissel Realty Group, and I'm at my latest listing at 1333 Chariot Court here in Bonsall. If you have questions or you'd like to take a tour, drop a comment below or give me a call at 619-971-0791.